Hello everyone! 안녕하세요. Welcome back to Christine's Fun Korean Conversation class. Now, it's finally, not finally actually, it's already lesson 7. What you're gonna look at is making an appointment. Suppose that you're on a business trip in Korea and you have to make an appointment for your meeting. And even though you can speak Korean, if you speak this expression even a little in Korean, you're like other companies in Korea will be so delighted by the knowledge of Korean. So I think this is a little more important than other things if you're on a business trip in Korea. Okay, so as usual, I have 4 different expressions regarding lesson 7, making an appointment. Let's look at it. Making an appointment, number 1, do you have time? Do you have time? So, you just bumped in your friends or the people working in the company, and you could ask them, do you have time tomorrow or today? And the next question is, what time should we meet? What time should we meet? And make an appointment and make a time. And we're gonna learn about time. It's like alphabets. When you are young, I think you learned alphabets from the kindergarten, right? It's like from A to Z. So it's a kind of long and hard to pronounce and hard to remember, but that's necessary. So this is the same. So time is really hard to remember, but this is really important. If you don't know about time in Korean, even though you can make a point, you can ask these questions in Korean, you cannot understand, and you cannot even make an appointment with Korean people. Okay, so time, I prepared this part. It's a little hard, but believe me, you can get through this. And the last one, see you then. See you then. After making an appointment, okay, see you then. See you tomorrow. Like this. Okay, so 4 different expressions. Do you have time? What time should we meet? And time, and see you then. Okay, so let's look at the first expression. Do you have time? Do you have time? What's time? First of all, time means 시간. 시간. One more time. 시간. 시간. And next, do you have... Oh, I know this one. Of course you do know, because you learned this expression before at the shopping class and at the restaurant and at the supermarket. From 3 classes you learned and you used this expression. Of course you do, and you have to, right? Do you have, what's this? 있어요. 있어요. So do you have 있어요? What's time? Time is 시간. 시간. So do you have time? Do you have time? 시간 있어요? 시간 있어요? One more time. Time means 시간. Do you have 있어요? And do you have time? 시간 있어요? 시간 있어요? So, you just bumped into Christine, your Korean teacher, and you want to ask her, oh, Christine, do you have time? How can you tell in Korean? Christine, 시간 있어요? 시간 있어요? Okay? Good. Let's see the examples. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. If you just ask, like, do you have time? And I would ask back to you, when? Today? Tomorrow? When? Because you didn't mention about the exact time here. So tomorrow 내일, 내일, 내일. Alright? And today, 오늘, 오늘, 오늘. One more time. Tomorrow, 내일, 내일. And today, 오늘, 오늘. So for instance, I prepared this sentence for you. Do you have time? You know this expression, do you have time? 시간 있어요? Tomorrow, tomorrow. 내일, 내일, right? So, do you have time tomorrow? In Korean, 내일 시간 있어요? One more time. 내일 시간 있어요? So, do you have time tomorrow? Tomorrow means 내일 in Korean. So, 내일 시간 있어요? What about this one? Do you have time today? Do you have time today? What's today? 오늘. 오늘. So, do you have time today in Korean is today. 오늘. Do you have time? 시간.